Hey everyone, what's up? How are we all doing? Welcome to another travel sketch episode. This is Alvin Mark, you're on my art channel. We've just arrived in Ambon. Morning everyone, welcome to Patimura International Airport here in Ambon. We're almost there. And I've been invited to the 2022 International Spice Route Sketchwalk. If you've been on this YouTube channel, you would already know that I've been here before. My last trip here was way back in 2018 December. We're gonna spend one full day in Ambon and we will be departing this evening at 10 p.m. to Banda Nera. Sipa. Marnie! You're here! Hey, hey, hey! So this is Leonie, Steve, Marnie, Ronald, and you? Aria, nice to meet you. Sorry? Felipa and? Marta, nice to meet you. Hey everyone, just logging in. We're here at the Mutiara. Met about 65% of the participants. Good to see some familiar faces whom I've not seen before in a long time. I'm just gonna take a quick shower now. Yeah. I definitely need it. Hey everyone, Arumbai Mardika, and we are all freshened up. Just spending the afternoon here in Ambon City before the cruise ride to Banda Nera later in the evening. I think it's at 10. We have Leonie and Steve from Australia and Gabby, who's a local from Ambon, who's also going for the sketch tour. She's gonna give us a tour of Ambon. Gabby, why is Ambon the city of music?
Why Ambon is the city of music? Because most of the people in Ambon can sing and most of them can play instruments. So UNESCO make Ambon one of the city of music. Ambon is also a city of peace. Do you see the circle one? Roof? There's the peace gong. We call it gong perdamaian. Okay. Perdamaian means peace.
We're gonna ride a public transport, a typical one, and it's only 5,000 Indonesian rupiah. Look at that! Look at this! Wow! Wow, look at Leonie's high-tech equipment for her YouTube channel. I should totally up my game or exit YouTube. If you guys want to show your support, I am on Buy Me Bubble Tea and Patreon. Gabby will be taking us to a wet local market called Pasar Mardika. And here we will be looking for a spot to make our sketches in the bustling scene. Here we see new developments happening around the market area and we are guessing that it would be replacing this old wet marketplace. So in time, in a few years, this old wet market will be a thing of the past here in Ambon. So if you're near the vicinity, head over there to make some sketches right now. Alright, authentic nasi campur place to eat here at Arumbai. Let's go check it out. So we just had lunch, a late lunch, and just used the toilet. And we're gonna walk through the kitchen and have yourself a treat at how they prepare the food. Super long kitchen. Okay, so we're stopping here. According to Gabby, this is one of the better snack in the sense of like cakes, little cakes, kueh, empanadas, lapis, you know, that sort of stuff here in Ambon. So let's go get some for the long cruise journey ride to Banda. So there's this happy tune that I keep hearing in several traffic junctions. We'll share the track right here. It's about preserving the beauty of Ambon. Another thing that is keeping me happy is the Martabak that I will be having on board the Pelni cruise ship. Like a scene from the Titanic. Okay, so there's this really iffy masked salesperson on board this ship trying to sell me an anti-cockroach chalk that when applied anywhere, cockroaches wouldn't even be able to pass it. Seems dubious, but I might just buy a pack. He's also selling it to other passengers on board. Okay, so since the boat has not left Ambon and since everyone has started sketching, I guess I'm gonna have to do a little sketch of my own, and I'll be sure to add in those little critters in my sketchbook too. Okay, a schematic map of the entire ship, that might help. So the last time when I was on a Pelni, I was seeking refuge in this karaoke room that I found. This time around, I am looking for something similar. Which is here. No, here. Okay, so we are here on deck 4. Let's go up to deck 6 and check out this place. I think I found it. The air is a lot cooler, much quieter. Only thing is, if the 12 of us were to come up here, it's just gonna make a lot of noise. So let's figure it out. And there's a guard over there. And finally at 1:18 we start to move. Goodbye Ambon, see you in 6 days. It's time to snooze. See you Banda in 8 hours. And after a few more hours of sitting around and a gouache study, we have arrived. And finally, folks, welcome back to Jurassic Park. So here's a fact. I've been with this production for quite a while. When I first started out, I was a dinosaur stand-in. Yes, I was a T-Rex. Here are some clips to prove just that. Hi everyone, this is Alvin, the T-Rex. And then later, you know, they bumped me up to location scouting, and I think this is like the perfect location for the next installation. I think like something like the 200th Jurassic Park in the series. This is Alvin Mart. You're tuned to the Alvin Mart Art Channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Watch out for the next episode coming soon to a screen near you.